Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing a top knot bun on my natural hair, and basically I haven't did this style in a while because I had to give it a little time for my hair to grow, but my hair has grew to where I can put it in a ponytail now. So I'm gonna be wearing my top knot. That's my favorite natural hairstyle. So I'ma be demonstrating how I do it in this video, so keep watching. So right here, I'm just spraying water on my hair to kind of like loosen up the edge control that I had on it previously. So the water is basically doing that. Right here, I'm just taking my Y2 comb and just combing out my hair, detangling it. And it works really good for when I detangle my hair, so I'm using that. So right here, I'm just taking my Y2 comb and I'm sectioning my hair off so I can have two sections. When I do any sort of updo ponytail, I have to section my hair because my hair is very thick. And if I just slap some gel on it, 9 times out of 10, it's not going to stay in the ponytail. So it just works best for me to put it in sections. Yeah, I cut my hair and my hair has grew a lot. Like, oh my gosh, look at the back. I'm gonna do like a transformation just so y'all can see how much my hair has grew after I cut it. So the piece that's sticking out, that's heat damage. So I just went ahead and cut that piece off because it didn't look right. So this is the finished look, and if you made it all the way to the end of this video, thank you for watching, and please make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the bell to turn on post notifications so you get notified every time I upload a new video.